This immaculate, one-owner property, located on a quiet cul-de-sac lot, is ready to welcome you home. The custom-built house offers 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and large living spaces throughout. The fully finished basement includes a theater room, gamer entertainment room with wet bar and mini fridge, a full bath with shower, and the 5th bedroom, along with additional storage space. The main level includes an open floor plan with a large kitchen with dining area, a den with glass pane French doors, and a formal dining room. The 3-sided peninsula fireplace separates the dining area from the family room. And on the upper level, you'll find 4 spacious bedrooms. 1 bedroom closet leads to an additional bonus storage room, and the master bedroom includes an ensuite bathroom with a large walk-in closet, jetted garden tub, and walk-in shower. Other notable features include the oversized garage, which offers plenty of room for multiple uses. The traditional size 2-car garage is connected to a 3rd garage space that's 30 foot deep with pull-down stairs to a floored attic. The large deck overlooks the backyard and common area, backing up to a serene wooded setting. Be sure to look at this one. Call Tom Kahneman for more details.